Ethereum cost in every way that really matters, equivalent to $1,913.94 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. The present exchanged cost range, $1,886.75 $1,927.68 in an unobtrusive way. The earlier day close, $1,924.31, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The change in every way that really matters was 10.37, 0.54%. Which basically is very huge. Reverse rate, United States dollars to ETH, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, July 3, cost $19.15, certainly most extreme $20.49, exceptionally least $17.81 in a kind of significant manner. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, July 4, cost $19.99, lovely greatest $21.39. Least $18.59, which generally is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, July 5, cost $20.26, sort of greatest $21.68, kind of least $18.84 in a kind of huge manner. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, July 6, cost $19.59, by and large greatest $20.96, especially least $18.22. For the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, July 7, cost $19.91, in every practical sense, greatest $21.30, kind of least $18.52, or so they thought. In multi-week Ethereum estimate on Monday, July 10, cost $19.49, most extreme $20.85, least $18.13 in an all things considered huge way. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, July 11, cost $19.73, all things considered, most extreme $21.11, especially least $18.35 in a very significant way. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, July 12, cost $19.55, fundamentally most extreme $20.92, in every practical sense, least $18.18, exhibiting that Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, July 4, cost $19.99, certainly greatest $21.39, by and large least $18.59, or so they essentially thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, July 13, cost $19.77, sort of greatest $21.15, sort of least $18.39, which by and large is genuinely huge. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, July 14, cost $19.59, kind of greatest $20.96, beautiful least $18.22, all things considered in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, July 17, cost $20.66, fundamentally greatest $22.11, genuinely least $19.21 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, July 18, cost $21.32, especially most extreme $22.81, by and large least $19.83, which really is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, July 19, cost $21.52, really greatest $23.03, for the most part least $2001 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum gauge on Thursday, July 20, cost $21.44, lovely greatest $22.94, by and large least $19.94 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, July 21, cost $21.57, extremely greatest $23.08. Especially least 2006, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks Ethereum gauge on Monday, July 24, cost $22.24, certainly most extreme $23.80, truly least $20.68, or so they especially thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, July 25, cost $22.44, beautiful greatest $24.01, for the most part least $20.87. Which truly is very huge. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, July 26, cost $21.30, beautiful most extreme $22.79, really least $19.81, or so they basically thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, July 27, cost $21.26, certainly most extreme $22.75, by and large least $19.77, in every practical sense. Further appearance how Ethereum figure on Wednesday, July 12, cost $19.55, all things considered, greatest $20.92, kind of least $18.18, exhibiting that Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, July 4, cost $19.99, most extreme $21.39, beautiful least $18.59. which for the most part is very huge. Ethereum figure on Friday, July 28, cost $21.13, certainly greatest $22.61, by and large least $19.65, exhibiting that Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, July 27, cost $21.26, by and large greatest $22.75, lovely least $19.77. Pretty further appearance how Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, July 12, cost $19.55, beautiful most extreme $20.92, sort of least $18.18, showing that Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, July 4, cost $19.99, truly greatest $21.39, really least $18.59, or so they generally thought. In about a month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, July 31, cost $21.14, in every way that really matters, greatest $22.62, certainly least $19.66, so in 3 weeks Ethereum gauge on Monday, July 24, cost $22.24, kind of most extreme $23.80, genuinely least $20.68 in an exceptionally significant way. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, August 1, cost $20.13, genuinely greatest $21.54, truly least $18.72, showing how in about 14 days Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, July 17, cost $20.66, truly most extreme $22.11, truly least $19.21 in a by and large enormous manner. United States dollars to ETH today in an unpretentious manner. United States dollars to ETH conversion scale genuinely equivalent to 0.5225 coins per $1,000, which by and large is very huge. Today's reach, 0.5188 0.53000, showing that in multi-week Ethereum estimate on Monday, July 10, cost $19.49, exceptionally greatest $20.85 in every practical sense, least $18.13. Which generally is genuinely huge. The past AS nearby, 0.5197 in a by and large enormous way. Change for now plus 0.0028, plus 0.54% in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to ETH cost estimate for, in the not so distant future and month, so the past AS nearby, 0.5197. Or so they basically thought. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Monday, July 3, cost 0.522 coins, truly greatest 0.561, in every way that really matters, least 0.488. Most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to ETH forecast on Tuesday, July 4, cost 0.500 coins, beautiful most extreme 0.538, kind of least 0.468 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, July 5, cost 0.494 coins, lovely greatest 0.531, fundamental